In this video I will show you how to change cursor size and color. So before starting the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's go towards screen. First go to the search bar and search settings. Open settings. Now go to devices. Open mouse settings. Through this option you can change cursor speed. Open adjust mouse and cursor size. Through this option you can change cursor size. As I have started screen recording, therefore it is not showing. Through this option you can change cursor color. I hope you will find my video helpful. If you have any issue about computer, then you can ask in comment section. Thank you.